Squinting modifiers. Clear up the confusion. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're diving into a somewhat tricky but essential area in our language journey, squinting modifiers. If you're unsure what these are, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what they are, why they're called squinting, and most importantly, how to avoid errors related to them. So, let's kick off by understanding what squinting modifiers are. Simply put, a squinting modifier is a word, or a group of words, placed within a sentence in such a way that it's unclear which part of the sentence the modifier is referencing. They're called squinting because they seem to look in two directions, causing ambiguity. The placement of these modifiers can confuse the reader or listener about the intended meaning of the sentence. The best way to understand squinting modifiers is through examples. So, let's look at a few. 1. I told my brother after dinner he should do his homework. In this sentence, does after dinner modify told my brother or he should do his homework? It's unclear whether I told my brother to do his homework after dinner, or I told him this information after we had dinner. 2. Reading quickly improves your vocabulary. This could mean that the act of reading quickly enhances vocabulary, or that quickly improving your vocabulary can be achieved by reading. Again, it's ambiguous. The ambiguity caused by these squinting modifiers can often lead to hilarious or confusing situations, so it's crucial to use them properly. Correcting squinting modifiers involves clarifying what exactly the modifier is modifying. This can often be achieved by rearranging the sentence or adding more information. Let's correct our previous examples. 1. I told my brother, after dinner, that he should do his homework. Now it's clear that I had this conversation with my brother after dinner. 2. Reading can quickly improve your vocabulary. Now, it's evident that the act of reading can lead to a swift enhancement of your vocabulary. Always remember, clarity is king in communication. It's our job to make our meaning as clear as possible for our readers or listeners. That brings us to the end of our discussion on squinting modifiers. I hope this video has illuminated what they are, how they can create confusion, and how you can avoid or correct them. Remember, mastering these details will make your English more precise and easily understood. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to spot and fix squinting modifiers like a pro. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting topics in our English grammar series.